Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Telegram. We all know it's a very important thing to all set your your app up. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open your Telegram app. What I'm going to today show you is that how can you make some changes in your settings. So go to your settings option and come to settings, tap on chat settings. Here you can see that first option is message text size. You can increase it or decrease it as you prefer. I'm keeping it here, and you can change some color themes here. And there are some themes which are really beautiful. You can pick any of them, whichever you like. So then, now here is an option called switch to night mode. You can turn it on, and you can see the theme is changed. Now, the mode is changed. Now, you can click on browse themes. You can click on the colors that you want to pick, and they will look more vibrant and beautiful. Okay, let's go back, and here you can okay, let's go to another one. And here is a setting called privacy and security. You can tap onto two-step verification. You can set a password to proceed it. Then you can auto delete messages, and you can set a time here when you want to delete your messages, and you can give a password lock by clicking on it. And then uh, phone number, it's a very important settings. You can here it says that who can see my phone number. If you keep it everybody, then everyone can see your phone number. But if you click onto my contacts, then your contacts only will be able to see your phone number. And if you click on nobody, then nobody would be able to see your phone number. I'm keeping it to nobody. And then last seen and online, if it's also same as your phone number, I'm also keeping it as nobody. And on my contacts, okay, let's click on it. And then profile photos, I'm keeping it to my contacts. And then from I'm going to forwarded messages, calls, who can call you, only my contacts I will allow, and click on the right option. And they will delete your account if you are not using Telegram for 6 months. You can increase it or you can decrease it, whatever you want to. And then you can disable sync contacts. It won't sync contacts if you turn it off. And yeah, and you can now go to data and storage. Here you can see storage usage. You can clear your cache here. I'm cleaning it. And now you can turn on private chats, groups, and channels here. Then you can click on use less data for calls only while roaming, or always. You can click on always, that it will help you to save your data. and then go to the um, chat folders. You can click on all chats, but I'm not doing that. And here are the devices you have already linked with. You can delete any of them or keep them as they are. And you can click on Telegram FAQ. You If you go to this settings, you will find all FAQs that you need to know. uh yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thanks for watching, and bye bye for today.